Discover next-level gaming precision with our top pick for PC enthusiasts. The best video game controller for PC delivers unmatched comfort, responsive controls, and seamless compatibility, elevating every gaming session into a smooth, immersive, and unforgettable experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Logitech G29 Game Controller. The Logitech G29 game controller delivers an incredibly immersive racing simulation experience for PC and PlayStation users, blending premium craftsmanship with highly responsive performance. Designed for gamers who demand realism, the G29 driving force simulates the feeling of driving an actual car, thanks to its precision steering and pressure-sensitive pedals. Every turn and brake input feels authentic, making it an ideal choice for racing titles where accuracy matters. The wheel's helical gearing system provides smooth and quiet steering, while the hand-stitched leather cover enhances comfort during long sessions and elevates its overall aesthetic. One standout feature is the set of customizable pedals, which includes non-linear brake pedals that replicate a responsive, realistic braking feel. Adjustable pedal faces allow fine-tuning for different foot sizes or driving preferences, giving the user better control over their gameplay. The 900-degree lock-to-lock rotation adds further authenticity, enabling full 2.5-turn wheel movements for wide, sweeping turns just like in real race cars. Logitech's G-Hub gaming software provides powerful customization options, letting players adjust wheel sensitivity, force feedback levels, and button mapping directly from their PC to suit their preferred driving style. As a certified carbon-neutral product containing 52% post-consumer recycled plastic, it also reflects Logitech's commitment to sustainability. With its compatibility across a wide range of Windows operating systems and optional add-ons like the driving force shifter, the G29 is not only durable but also easily expandable. Number 2. Xbox Elite Series 2 Game Controller. The Xbox Elite Series 2 game controller is a premium, pro-level option for gamers who want maximum customization and comfort while playing on Xbox or PC. This controller stands out by allowing players to tailor nearly every aspect of their gameplay experience. With interchangeable thumbstick toppers, D-pads, and paddles, you can modify the layout to suit your grip and style, ensuring consistent performance in both fast-paced shooters and precision-heavy titles. The controller supports up to 3 custom profiles plus a default profile that can be switched on the fly using the dedicated profile button, making it easy to transition between games or playstyles. Connectivity is flexible, offering Xbox Wireless, Bluetooth, or a USB-C cable, so it works seamlessly with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Windows 10 PCs. Battery life is another strong point, delivering up to 40 hours of play on a single charge, while the included charging dock and USB-C cable let you charge the controller either inside or outside its carrying case. Build quality is refined, with durable components designed to last through extensive gaming sessions. Number 3. Logitech G923 Game Controller. The Logitech G923 game controller elevates racing simulation to a new level with its innovative True Force technology, which connects directly to game engines for high-definition force feedback. Processing at 4,000 times per second, it delivers a remarkably detailed, lifelike driving experience where you can feel every bump, gear shift, and traction change on the track. This next-generation racing wheel also includes a programmable dual clutch system that replicates real race car launch assist, enabling faster, cleaner starts in supported games. An integrated LED RPM indicator on the wheel helps players fine-tune speed and gear shifts at a glance, while the built-in game controls for Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and PC allow for intuitive adjustments mid-race. The 24-point selector and progressive brake spring keep steering precise and braking smooth, enhancing control during intense corners or competitive events. Premium materials such as the hand-stitched black leather wheel cover and polished metal pedals not only add durability but also deliver a luxurious feel during gameplay. Logitech's G-Hub software gives you further customization over wheel sensitivity, force feedback levels, and button mapping, empowering you to set up the G923 exactly how you like it. Number 4. NACON Revolution X Game Controller. The NACON Revolution X Game Controller is built for gamers who demand precision, durability, and deep customization in their PC gaming setup. Featuring Hall-effect magnetic technology in its joysticks and triggers, it greatly enhances accuracy and lifespan while virtually eliminating issues like joystick drift. This technology is complemented by instant adjustable triggers with precision microswitch components, resulting in ultra-reactive gameplay ideal for competitive scenarios. Vibration motors are strategically placed in both the handles and triggers for immersive haptic feedback. The controller's high-performance PC mode minimizes latency to as low as 1 millisecond when wired and 2 milliseconds wirelessly, ensuring smooth input response. Adding to its versatility is a built-in gyroscope, which can simulate joystick or D-pad inputs and even map PC keyboard keys directly to controller buttons. NACON takes customization seriously, offering extensive physical options such as a 4-way and 6-way D-pad, multiple joystick heads, concave, convex, high dome, joystick rings, and adjustable weights. More than 60 combinations in total, plus a storage case to keep it all organized. The advanced software customizations accessed via an LCD screen make remapping, audio mixing, and profile creation intuitive, while 6 mappable shortcut buttons offer instant command access. Number 5. SCUF VALOR Pro Game Controller. The SCUF VALOR Pro Game Controller is designed for speed, comfort, and customization, making it a top-tier option for gamers who want every possible edge in competitive play. It features 4 embedded rear paddles that can be configured to perform up to 16 functions, allowing you to execute complex moves without lifting your thumbs from the sticks. The instant triggers eliminate traditional trigger pull, shaving precious milliseconds off your reaction time, critical for first-person shooters and fast-action games. SCUF's performance grip, developed from over 13 years of expertise, ensures ultimate non-slip comfort during extended gaming sessions, while the new wraparound bumpers increase surface area for faster, more precise movements. Beyond performance, the VALOR Pro offers tailored functionality through its audio control system, letting you adjust volume levels on the fly and save up to 3 remapping configurations with a simple switch. SCUF also emphasizes personalization, giving you a wide variety of colors and designs to express your style. The easily swappable faceplates and thumbsticks mean you can change the look and feel of your controller in minutes, creating a setup that feels uniquely yours. This attention to both ergonomics and versatility makes the SCUF VALOR Pro an outstanding choice for PC gamers who want a professional-grade controller that adapts to their playstyle. Whether you're looking for faster inputs, a comfortable grip for marathon gaming, or a controller that matches your personality, the SCUF VALOR Pro delivers a comprehensive package that raises the standard for performance and customization. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.